What's the meaning of crushing? Crushing. Crushing.
Crushing. Crushing. The term crushing refers to the act of applying immense pressure, force, or weight onto something with the intention of completely breaking it down or reducing it to smaller pieces. The result of crushing is usually a change in the physical structure or composition of the object being crushed, such as a rock or a can. This process can be destructive and irreversible, leading to complete deformation or destruction of the crushed object. Crushing can also be used in a figurative sense to describe emotional or psychological overwhelm or defeat.